Noong araw, si Mariang Sinukuan ay reyna sa bundok Arayat. So long ago, Maria Sinukuan was queen of Mount Arayat. Iginagalang siya ng mga tao sa paligid ng bundok.
Wait, what happened if they erupt?
We'll see. At dahil isang diwata, iginagalang din siya ng mga hayop. Sinasabi,
What did you say?
Sinasabi na may hukuman si Maria sa bundok Arayat at dito nililitis ang kaso ng mga hayop. So they say that Maria had a court on Mount Arayat, and here the animals were tried. So what happened?
What's trying?
They judge. She judges the animals. Okay, so what happened?
So, long ago, there's this girl named Maria, and she owns the mountain. And the people that live there respect her because she's a fairy, and they say that she's a goddess. And the animals respect her too because they judge. She judges the animals.
Yeah.
And then she got mad, and then
Isang araw, umiiyak na dumating si Martinez sa hukuman ni Maria Sinukuan.
Huh?
One day, Martinez came to Maria Sinukuan court crying. Dali-dali niya ipinakita kay Maria ang kanyang daladalang mga basag na itlog. She immediately showed Maria the broken egg she was carrying. So what happened?
So one day, one day, there's this bird. He went to see Maria at the court, and then he found the bird, crying, and he was carrying broken eggs.
Yeah. Bakit? Ano nangyari at nabasag ang iyong mga itlog?
Okay, listen.
Listen to the story, Jacob.
Jacob, listen.
Come. Kasi po, kagabi, dumamba si kabayo at natakpan ng aking pugad. What happened? Because last night, the horse kept going on my, nest and he trampled it.
He broke it.
Sumbong ni Martinez habang umiiyak. So what happened?
So she was like, can you cover it? She was like, why? What happened to your broken eggs? And she was like, well, the horse. He kept on jumping over it and stomping on it. And then sa susubong, saying, what's a susubong in English? Telling on while she was crying.
Ipinatawag ni Maria si kabayo. Bakit ka dumamba kagabi kaya nabasag ang mga itlog ni Martinez? Tanong ni Maria kay kabayo pagdating. Kasi po nagulat ako sa biglang pagkokak ni Palaka. So Maria called for kabayo. Why did you leap and leap last night, breaking Martinez's eggs?
I got scared.
It's because I was surprised by the frog, the Palaka's sudden croaking, Kabayo explained. So what happened?
So he was like, what happened? Why did you crack Maria's eggs?
Maria? Martinez.
The Martinez. Who's Maria?
This is Maria.
Maria doesn't have balls. I mean, Martinez eggs, and then he was like, oh, sorry, I got scared about the palaka. It started making noises like, and then I got shocked.